I welcome to all on the course of refrigeration and air conditioning. I am Prabhupada Senapati, lecturer in mechanical department. In the last video already we have started the psychometric process. Today you are going to another process, that is the humidification. So first to know what is humidification. The humidification is the addition of moisture to the air without change in its driver temperature. That is known as the humidification. During the humidification, the heat is added, and it might be noted that during the humidification, the relative humidity increases from phi1 to phi2, as well as the specific humidity increases, that is from W1 to W2. W1 to W2. During the humidification, the change in enthalpy, that is the H2 minus H1 on the psychometric chart. Since the driver temperature of the air during the humidification remain constant, therefore the sensible heat also remain constant. So the change in enthalpy per kg of dry air due to the increase the moisture content equal to, that is W2 minus W1 per kg of dry air. So we can write the LH is equal to H2 minus H1. Also we can write HFG W2 minus W1, where the HFG is the latent heat of vaporization of the dry at the driver temperature. So this is about the humidification. And let's start the dehumidification process. The dehumidification process, it is exactly opposite of the humidification process. So in the dehumidification process, you are removing the moisture from the air without change in its driver temperature. And mind it, and during the dehumidification, the heat is removed also. And during the dehumidification process, the relative humidity decreases, that is phi1 to phi2, as well as the specific humidity also decreases, that is W1 to W2. So this is all about the humidification and the dehumidification. So you have to know when dehumidification is required and when humidification is required. In the winter time, in the present situation, the winter time, in the atmosphere, the moisture level is very, very less. That's why you are observing your body, sometimes crack is there and dryness is there due to the moisture is come. So here you have to humidify the air, means you have to increase the moisture of the air. So humidification is required during the winter time, and in the summer time you are observed many times you are sweated because more moisture available due to the evaporation of water, and in the human feel the discomfort. So the dehumidification is required during the summer time. The moisture level is more in the atmosphere, so you have to remove the moisture. So humidification, that is the moisture addition, that is required for summer time, and dehumidification process is for winter time. So this is with the this is all about the humidification and the dehumidification. Thank you to all.